Hey, amazing teachers! Want a simple way to get your students thinking critically while reinforcing comprehension? Try this. Have them retell a story from another character's perspective. It sounds simple, but this quick shift forces students to reprocess the events, infer emotions, and rethink motivations, all of which deepen their understanding. Imagine a classic fable like The Three Little Pigs, but told from the wolf's point of view. Suddenly, he's not the villain. Maybe he's just a misunderstood guy with allergies. This is an instant way to boost engagement while getting students to think outside the box. So, how can you implement this today? After a listening or reading activity, assign each student or a small group a different character's point of view. Give them a few sentence starters like, from my perspective, or I couldn't believe when, to guide their thinking. If you want to make it even easier, have students retell the story orally before writing. Low stress, high engagement. In my class, I've had students take a simple story like La Gallina Roja, the little red hen, and rewrite it from the lazy dog's perspective. Suddenly, we had a whole list of excuses for not helping. It makes retelling feel fresh and fun. And this works at every level. Beginners can keep it simple with basic phrases, while advanced students can add more depth with inner thoughts and dialogue. You'll be amazed at how quickly they start making inferences and noticing details they missed before. Want more quick, powerful CI strategies? Take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz to assess your level and get personalized tips to level up your teaching.